Hi, it's Darren from JD Gallagher Estate Agents, and today you will find me on Hathaway Road, which is just north of Lancaster city centre. Inside this beautiful home, which offers no chain, there is a spacious living room with feature electric fire to the centre of the room, whilst the kitchen offers ample space to dine and also allows access out into the rear garden. Upstairs, all three bedrooms are a rather generous size, especially the third bedroom, which with a lot of these houses can often be described as a box room, but not with this one. The third bedroom is absolutely fantastic. Also, the first floor offers a three-piece shower suite, and externally there's low maintenance garden to the front, which you can see. Ample off-street parking is available thanks to the quiet cul-de-sac location, whilst round to the rear of the home there is a low maintenance garden which will get the afternoon sunshine. Why don't we have a look at a few of the photographs and I'll tell you a little bit more about where this home is situated. So now you've had a chance to have a look at a few of the photographs that this lovely home has to offer. I hope you like the property as much as we do. Hathaway Road is situated, as I said earlier, on a small quiet cul-de-sac which has allotments at the top of the road, and opposite you will find King George's Field, which is where I am currently stood. This is an open area where people walk the dogs, children play, and there's also a couple of football pitches which local teams can play on. Just around the corner there's a little fish and chip shop. Opposite there is a decent convenience store which offers a variety of products to save you having to go the short trip through to Lancaster city centre, which is approximately only about 1.5 miles away. There's also great transport links via buses, and if you need to commute for work, the M6 Link Road, opened approximately 2 years ago, is also approximately 3/4 mile away. If you'd like any more information about the area or the home itself, why not contact us and we're more than happy to help. You can do so by calling us on 01524 843 322, or you can send me an email. It's darren@jdg.co.uk, and then we'll either answer the questions or book you a viewing and meet you here. We've got the key, so viewing should not be an issue. Look forward to hearing from you, and who knows, this may be the home that you have been searching for. We'll see you soon.